Addressing social and environmental issues in light of God's kingdom. How does the issue affect people, especially the vulnerable or marginalized? Social impact. Marginalized communities often bear the brunt of social and environmental crises. Examples: limited access to clean water, I'm sorry, healthcare and education. Next, economic disparities. Vulnerable population face higher risk of poverty due to systematic inequalities. For example, displacement from homes due to environmental disasters. Next is the emotional and spiritual consequences, feelings of hopelessness and neglect, loss of faith and trust in communities, including the image of diverse or vulnerable communities. Next, how does it impact the environment? So we have the climate change and pollution. Rising temperatures, deforestation, and pollution harm ecosystems. For example, extinction of a species and loss of biodiversity. We also have resource depletion. Overuse of natural resources leads to scarcity for future generations. We also have impact on daily life. Unpredictable weather patterns disrupt farming and livelihoods. Next, what small actions can we take to address this issue? So, as individuals, we need to do the reduce, reuse, and recycle to minimize waste, support local businesses and sustainable products, practice energy conservation in daily life. So, as a community, we need to organize clean up drives, and awareness campaigns. Advocate for policies that protect marginalized group and the environment. Next is through the church. Through the church, promote eco-friendly practices in church activities. Create programs to support affected communities, including the people taking action such as planting trees. So, how might these actions contribute to advancing God's kingdom? So, reflecting God's love, caring for the marginalized demonstrates Christ's compassion and love, for example, providing aid and support during crisis. Next, stewardship of creation. Protecting the environment honors God as the creator, for example, preserving nature for future generations. Next is the building community. Acts of kindness and responsibility strengthen bonds and spread God's message. For example, unified efforts to restore a community after a disaster. That's all.